Good morning, children. Can you all hear me? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
How are you all?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. Shall we start the session with a prayer? Okay. Amaya, sit properly. Legs closed. Legs down. Sit properly and then switch on the camera. Okay? Everyone. Children, look at Nancy, ma'am. Let me tell you something. We are sitting in front of cameras. Okay? Yes. So first sit properly. Okay? Sit properly. Keep your legs down. Keep your dress properly. Keep your table and sit in front of the table. Keep your hands on the table and be ready. Look at the screen. Okay, Najum's mummy, you can just take down my questions. Najum's mummy has put a question. Najum's mummy, when I give test, please take down the questions. And after class, I will tell you, I will direct you how to take the text with her. Others. So let me tell you first, listen to ma'am. When we are all starting our sessions, children, this is now online and everything is getting recorded. We don't know which class is going to go to YouTube. Okay, all the classes we get it there. So I want every of my children to sit properly, comb your hair, brush your hair. You have to sit properly, very neatly, no dancing, no playing. Okay, and every time when you sit, parents, if it will be very nice if you can put, if the wall comes behind. Okay, so that nobody is moving, coming and all will not disturb the screen. If it is that way, it is okay. Or if you have range in such areas, it's okay to have it the way you like it. Okay, and every time when you sit properly, children, take care of your dress. Okay, yes, when you put your hands, your dress, everything should be very neat. Okay, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you should know how to
Yes,
sit.
ma'am.
Otherwise, you know everything, no? They will say shame, shame, puppy, shame. Okay, if we don't sit properly, it's okay. You don't know. You're all babies. Okay, you don't know how to sit. Okay, and even parents, I'm telling you, when you bend and all, please take care. Okay, this is a small things which I have noticed. It's okay that I'm telling you. I don't think it won't be a thing. You need to know how we see it. We don't know. Sometimes when comes on the screen, no, we may see all this. Okay, sometimes editing is not possible. In that such cases, we have problems. So make sure that you are sitting. And one more thing, children, when taking online classes, if you get call, teach your children how to cut the calls. Okay, one day it happened, one mother was in a toilet and the child was rushing to the toilet. So let's avoid certain things, train our children not to run with the phone around, let them sit wherever they are. If any call comes, let them cut it and then speak later. Let them tell you later. Okay, don't forget. Understood? What ma'am is talking, you understood. Parents, if what I speak, they are not understanding. You please translate and make them understand how they understand it. Mothers are the best teachers. Okay. So children, let's start. Join our hands. Close your eyes. I want you all smiling. Okay. Okay. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us. Give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Dear Father, bless the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the people who are in the mission of treating them. Dear Father, please bless and heal the world. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes, everybody. Wonderful. So, children, so before I take my test, we will start the session with a rhyme and let's learn about birds. 3 more birds I would like to introduce, and after that we'll go for the test. Okay, ready? Okay, what is the song we have learned? Let's recall all the flower songs which we learned. The first one, I want you to sing along with me. Okay, I want everybody to sing this song. I'm seeing you here. Sing a song of flowers, flowers all around, flowers that are growing, growing from the ground, flowers of every color, Flowers of every color. They look so
Yes,
pretty
they
too.
make too.
They look so pretty too. Red and pink, orange and yellow, blue and purple too. Children, I'll do one thing. I'll mute you. Some of them, those who get joined, they are just unmuting themselves. So it's becoming a noise there. So others are not hearing me. So Nancy ma'am will sing, you sing along with me. Okay, with action. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. We have to know the rhymes for this term. Okay, sing a song of flowers. Louder. Sing a song of flowers. Flowers all around. Flowers that are growing from the ground. Flowers of every color. Flowers of every color. They look so pretty too. They look so pretty too. Red and pink, orange and yellow, blue and purple too. Blue and purple too. Okay, the next song about flowers. You all know this. One spring flower. Let's sing. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. One spring flower, awake and fresh and new. Out popped another, and they weigh two. Two spring flowers were turning with the bee. Out popped another, and they weigh three. Three spring flowers, watch a birdie soar. Out popped another, and they weigh four. Four spring flowers, four happy and alive. Out popped another, and they weigh five. Five spring flowers. Open your mouth. Five spring flowers. So pretty. So pretty. Five spring flowers. Five spring flowers for you and me. For you and me. Okay? The next song, Peas Porridge Hot. Let's sing it fast. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old, 9 days old. Can we sing one more time? Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Mohammed Syed, I'm cutty with you. You're not singing anything. I'm not talking to you. You're not opening your mouth. You're watching here and there. What is happening there? All your friends are singing. At least they are doing actions. What about you? You're looking here and there. I'm cutty. Next time you don't sing, I'm not going to become your friend. Okay? Next. The next song. Okay, let's sing Driving in My Car, just to recall that. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. The earlier we learned, beginning we learned. Let's sing that. I am driving in my car. I'm driving in my car. Beep, beep, toot, toot. Driving in my car. I'm driving very slow. I'm driving very slow. Beep, beep, toot, toot. Driving very slow. Change the gear. I'm driving very fast. I'm driving very fast. Beep, beep, toot, toot. Driving very fast. I'm driving very fast. I'm driving very fast. Beep, beep, toot, toot. Driving very fast. Yay! Now I've reached my class. Ready? No, okay. So children, all these rhymes keep singing every time, okay? Only then it stays there. Next, today Nancy ma'am has come with 3 other birds. Okay, what are the 3 birds? Can you guess what bird is this? I've got a bird in my hand. I've got a silhouette of a bird in my hand. What is this bird? You know what is this bird? Can you speak?
Peacock.
No, it's not a peacock. I'll give a clue. I'll give a clue. Wait. Listen, 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 listen. No, listen, listen. This bird is called the king of birds. It has got very... Please.
Yes.
No, no, I'm muting you all. Listen, listen. Let me tell you first. First, listen. Observe when somebody is talking and then give your answers. 1 minute. Only then you will get the information properly. I'm going to show you a bird which is called the king of birds. Why do we say this bird as their king? Because it has got very good flight. It is very strong bird. It has got sharp eyesight. It has got sharp claws. It goes really very high in the sky. It stays on hilltops. It makes nest on the hilltops, and it is a meat hunter. It doesn't eat fruits and vegetables, but it loves to eat meat. It has sharp claws. What is two claws? I have told you birds have two legs. In the legs, they have nails like us, okay? And this eagle's claws are really sharp. They can even take the meat out of the anybody, okay? They can pierce it and take it because their nails are really, really sharp, okay? And this is one such a bird. It's called eagle. What is it? What is this bird?
Eagle.
Eagle. Eagle is the king of birds. So who is the king of birds? Eagle. And eagle has got what? Sharp eyesight. Eyesight. I'm muting it. Eagle has got sharp eyesight. Eagle has got very sharp eyesight, and it flies really, really high. It can even see very minute things on the ground. If you can even see a small rat running, it comes from up. It takes with the sharp claws and it flies back. Okay? Yes. The next bird which ma'am is going to show you is a bird which is a night hunter. Okay? It can see only in the night. It can see only in the night very clearly. Okay? It hunts meat in the night. It eats small rats. It eats small fishes. It can eat even snakes. Okay? What is this bird? I'm just showing the silhouette of it. I'm just showing the outline for you to imagine. Okay? What is this? Owl. What is this? Owl. Okay? Yes, this is owl. Owl is a night flying bird. And it can see very much in the night. And the baby owl, you know what it is called? It's called owlet. What is baby owl called? Owlet. Say that. Owlet. Okay. The next bird which ma'am is going to introduce is, any guess? Any guess? No. No. Yes. Somebody's, but it is a dove. I would like to show you. Okay, it is a dove. It's the actually pigeon also belongs to the dove family. Okay, pigeon and dove, they are very soft birds. Okay, and this pigeon and dove earlier days were trained to send letters. Okay, we didn't have phones and all in earlier days. We didn't have net and all that. So those days when we need to communicate with people from far places, they are trained to grow and come back with sending letters. They put letters under the pigeon's leg, and they tie it and they send the pigeons, and they keep flying. They go and give the letter and come back to the same place. They remember the place so well. Okay, they can go, even they go far, they can come back on their own to the same house. Okay, so pigeons are sorry, the doves are also known for their used for a symbol of peace. Okay, they are very soft natured animals. They won't hurt anyone. Okay, so these three spellings, let's learn. So ma'am is going to write these three spellings on the board. Please watch. You can write it later after my class. Okay, so what is the spelling of dove? Let's see. D-O-V-E, dove. Okay, how do we write it? Like this, capital cursive D. O-V-E, dove. D-O-V-E, dove. Okay, repeat after me. D-O-V-E, dove. The next spelling is owl. Okay, let's write the bird name owl. O W L owl. Only 3 letters it has got. O, okay, W L owl. What is it? O, don't write now, you can write after my class. O W L owl. Okay, next, what is the last bird? Eagle, the king of birds. Okay, let's write E A G L E, eagle. E A G L E, eagle. E A G L E, eagle. How do we write E? See here, write a small E inside the papa line and the first baby line, and then make another C curve. Okay, it's very easy. Write E in the first thing and C in the next one, then go for E. E A G L E, eagle. Okay, eagle is known as the king of birds. So these spellings you will learn today. Okay, children, understood? Okay, now let me tell you something. Can you guess? I'm going to ask you a few questions. First one, which is the king of birds? Give me the answer. Which is the king of birds? King of birds. Eagle. What is it? Eagle. Okay. Which bird? Which bird is known as? Who is that screaming? Not allow this. Parents, please do not allow this. Please do not allow the screaming. Tell your children how to behave. Say the answer once and stop it. Understood? Say the answer once and stop it. You cannot scream. If you want to speak, put your hands up. You raise your hand. That's how I come back to you. You cannot scream. Speak 1 or 2 times and then stop it. Heard? മനസ്സിലായോ എങ്ങനെ ആൻസർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടിന്ന്? Is this fish market? മാർക്കറ്റിൽ പോകുമ്പോഴാണ് അവിടുത്തെ ചേട്ടന്മാരെ ഇങ്ങനെ വിളിച്ചോണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഫിഷ് 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 ഫോർ സെയിൽ. ഇവിടെ മീനുണ്ട്, കൂയി കൂയി എന്നിങ്ങനെ കൂകിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. യെസ്, ദിസ് ഇസ് ക്ലാസ് റൂം ചിൽഡ്രൻ ആൻഡ് വി ഷുഡ് ഹാവ് സം മാനേഴ്സ്. When ma'am is asking you a question, give me answer once or twice. That's it. Then don't keep repeating it. Okay? I told you ma'am is having some hearing problems using this ear aid for continuous hours. Okay? So speak in soft voice. Now put your hands down. I'll give the answers. So the bird which is known for the symbol of peace is dove. Okay? The next one, which is a night flying bird? It is owl. What is it? Owl. Night hunter. Okay. Which bird is known as the national bird of India? Look here. What is this? Peacock. Which are the 2 birds which give us egg and meat? Hen and duck. Hen and duck. Next. Next one. Which is this bird? Talking bird. Parrot. Parrot is called the talking bird. Okay? Which is a common bird which we usually see around? Crow. Okay? A common bird which we usually see around is crow. Okay? Yes. So that's it. Now let me tell you, in the next session, we will be having a test in EVS about flowers. I'll be asking you, children, write the names of any 5 flowers. So for the next class, you be ready for writing a test on flowers. Okay? Now let's take a test in maths. Okay? So now everybody take your math notebook. Please take your maths notebook. Ready? John Paul Joby. Ask your brother and sister, baby, everybody to move. You take the test now. Everybody. John Paul, I see you getting distracted with your siblings. Let the Vavas play. You look here. Others, take a notebook. Math notebook for the test. Ready for the test? Okay. So now, parents, I'm writing the questions, okay, for the math questions, missing letters. First, let's take down that. And after this, let them continue writing the numbers 1 to 50. Okay? So that's how we are going to do. Sharing screen. Ready, everybody? Okay, please take down the questions. The first one, let's write the date. First, let's write the date. What is the date, children? 26/11. That's the date. 26/11. Then let's write test on top. T-E-S-T, test. Okay? Now, write the questions for your children so that they can give the answers. Okay? The first one, O-E. O-E. Next one, F-V-. F-V-. Next one, S-V-N. S-V-N. Next one, T-N. Next one, T-R-. T-R-. The next one, E-. E-N. E-N. The next one, T-. E-L-V-. T-E-L-V-. The next one, T-H-R-T-N. T-H-R-T-N. Next one, S-I-X dash E dash. Next one, T-W dash N-T dash. There are 10. 10 number names. Finished copying the questions? Finished, everybody? Now you may write the answers now. Start writing the answers.
Dash.
Don't keep your mics muted. Sorry, keep your mics muted. Don't unmute it. Everybody?
Ma'am, question please.
Yes, I'm sharing screen.
I can't see you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can see you. Thank you.
This
Keep your mics muted.
yes.
Finish writing questions. Basil, write the answers. Basil Kuriakos, write the test. Can I stop sharing
Ma'am,
so that I can see?
the 11 is not correct.
What is it?
11.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for telling me that. Thank you, Basil sister. Finished? Copying the questions? When I'm sharing the screen, I will not be able to see the children. That's why. Only few will be seen. Can I stop sharing? Okay. Take the test. Write the answers. Najum, Rayan.
Can you share the board?
Yeah. Who is that?
I can see you. Basil.
Basil. Keep your mic muted. Those who finished this, please start writing numbers 1 to 50. Write the answers now. Parents, do not help. Let them take the test. Amaya, I'm coming home. Started troubling? Mummy? Poor mummy is sitting there. I'm coming there to home. Write the answers. Write whatever you know. Parents, if a child is not really ready for the test, train them and then take a test. Keep the questions.
Ma'am,
I
finish.
think
Ma'am.
finish. Start writing numbers 1 to 50. Keep your mics muted, please. Mics muted, please. I know some are really fast. They can finish it. Gauri, write the answers. Gauri, Nivedha, write the answers. Andrea, Babu, write the answers. You can, parents, if they need, you can read the questions for them, but don't give the answers. Let them write the answer. Think and write. If your child is not able to read the letters, some are like that, please read it for them. Najm's mummy, I think if she can, not Najm, somebody who sent me the chart. John, please write, I'm coming there. Najm's mummy, if she, you can ask her to write the numbers first, numbers 1 to 50. If she can do that, let her take the test now. Can you please turn on your video so that I see her? John, take the test. Write fast. I'm coming. Those who are not writing the test, I'm coming home today. Today I will be there in your house. Basil, sit and write the test. I don't want you to stand. Write the answers. If you have finished, please start writing numbers 1 to 50. Finished, Rasha? Yes, take down the numbers. Write numbers 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3. Angane 50 where write. Write numbers 1 to 50. Mohammed Syed finished? Write fast. I would like to see. So parents, the mark is out of 20. Okay. That means the number names each carry 1 marks. Out of 10 it is. And numbers 1 to 50 carries 2 marks each column. Okay. That is 1 to 10 carries 2 marks. 11 to 20 carries 2 marks like that. Another. 2 marks, make it 10. So out of 20, give the marks to them. Where is Andrea Babu? Where did you go, man? Huh? I'm coming home. Write the test, I'm coming home. Where is Liz Maria? Finished, please correct those if you have finished. Parents, if your child has finished, start correcting. I see some of them finished. Jana, Michael Joshi, what happened? You're not taking the test. Coming home. Wait. I'm coming there.
അടുത്തത് 4 എഴുത്.
Finished, Tirtha? Good. Liz Maria, keep your mic muted, please. Basil, I don't want you to look at the screen like this and sit there. I've not got answers here. Please write there. Right, take down the answers. Basil. Write the answer. Edidan. Take the pencil and write the answers.
Ma'am,
Yes, who is that? Give me the name.
Manha.
Manha finished.
Yeah.
Number next. Numbers also.
Finish.
Numbers 1 to 50 finished.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Donna finished. Excellent. So start writing numbers, those who finished.
You.
So parents, I think it's session for the next class. Children are entering us. So let me do one thing. Let me wind up now. You please correct it for your children. Okay, what you will do is please correct the answers for your children. Numbers 1 to 50 will carry 10 marks. Okay, and the number